It's been a minute since I recorded in the Civic, man. I think it's been about what, like a month or two? I don't know. Yeah, she's coming out well. Soon I'm gonna get some new tires, some new wheels. As you guys can see, these wheels actually have good tread. These are the wheels that came with the car when I bought it. I need a haircut, bro. Yeah, so I'm thinking about keeping these for winter tires. I'm gonna get some new coilovers soon, so stay tuned. But we got a nice little stance to it right now. Put some new lights in it. I don't know if you guys remember the lights that I had before, where they had yellow in it. I also got a new exhaust. Show you guys that. I'm gonna show you guys a cold start. What else did I do? I got tents. I got some tents. No longer fishbowl. Yeah, we no longer fishbowling out here. Got me some tents. And I'm gonna get a new hood one day. As you see, I just spray painted the spots that were I don't know if you guys can remember, but my hood was peeling. But I think the spray paint actually, let me show you guys the spray paint that I used. I actually used Rust Olem. My dad picked this up from Walmart. You can find this in AutoZone. And really, this did a good job touching up little spots. It's not perfect, of course, but it's cheap. I think it was like $5 to do this. And I need a wash, so on top of that, fog lights are coming in Wednesday, so I'm gonna put those on. If you guys got any tips on fog lights and putting them back on or replacing fog lights, please let me know. Still don't have my front license plate. We're from far away. Car clean. Clean, it's coming out good. So this one would be for my exhaust. It's clean. I can't wait to lower the car. Alright, man, I'm gonna give you guys a quick little cold start. Let me set up the camera real quick. I just ordered a cold air intake. I'm gonna get rid of all of this. So I'm looking forward to that. But so far it's been working fine. So I don't know if you guys heard me outside, but what I was trying to say was that I'm gonna get a cold air intake put in. Get rid of that old air filter system. Add some more horsepower. What does it sound like?